Hey everyone! If you're expecting and looking to stay active and healthy, I've got some great news for you. Today I'm going to share my top 5 exercises that are not only safe but incredibly beneficial during pregnancy. So, grab your water bottle and let's get moving. First up, we have prenatal yoga. This isn't just about stretching, it's about connecting with your baby and preparing your body for childbirth. Yoga helps improve flexibility, reduces stress, and can enhance your sleep. Just make sure to stick to poses that are comfortable and safe for your changing body. Next, let's talk about swimming. It's like giving your body a big hug. The water supports your weight, which means less stress on your joints and back, and it's so refreshing. Swimming not only keeps your heart healthy, but also helps maintain muscle tone. Just remember to keep the intensity light and enjoyable. Moving on to the third exercise. Walking. Yes, it sounds simple, but don't underestimate the power of a good walk. It's perfect for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and staying active without overdoing it. Plus, it's a wonderful way to enjoy the outdoors and clear your mind. Aim for a gentle 30-minute walk daily. Fourth on our list is stationary cycling. A stationary bike is a great way to raise your heart rate safely. Because it's low impact, you don't have to worry about balance or falling, making it ideal as your belly grows. Keep the pace moderate. This isn't the time for high-intensity spin classes. Lastly, we have light strength training. Using light weights can help strengthen your muscles and joints, which will be very beneficial during childbirth and recovery. Focus on exercises that don't require you to lie flat on your back and keep the weights light. Exercises like seated shoulder presses or side-lying leg lifts are fantastic options. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. And always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. There you go, 5 safe and effective exercises to help you stay fit and strong during your pregnancy. Incorporate these into your daily routine, and you'll not only boost your mood, but also improve your overall health. Stay active, stay healthy, and most importantly, enjoy this beautiful journey. See you next time.